friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a baby Saja soda pop can. So first we're going to get started at the top and we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. Let's close this off behind. So coming through, we're just going to curve this around and then back down on the side. Let's move over. On both sides, stepping up above, we're going to curve this line down. Let's step across on the right-hand side and we're just going to replicate that. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom. We're going to draw in another curved line, just connecting those together from left to right. And then we're going to start back on the top again, curving this line all the way around and together on the right. Now on the top, in the center, let's draw in a nice big sideways oval. Let's move over on the top right, and we're just going to draw in a circle on the top. And then we're going to stretch over toward the left, drawing in another sideways oval. Now let's close off the rest of the can. So we're going to start from the corner on the left-hand side, curving this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's bring this line down towards the bottom now. So starting on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way through towards the bottom of our page. And then we're going to step across on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, bringing that all the way through, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom now. So we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. On the bottom now, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to do the same thing on the right, again, ending that at the same height. And then again from here, let's just close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up and draw in the word soda in bubble writing. So we're going to draw this on a diagonal. So we're going to start on the left, drawing in our letter S. And then we're going to move in towards the right of that, and we're going to just draw in a circle for the letter O. Now moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a smaller circle. Let's move across on the right. We're going to draw in the letter D. So we're going to curve this line around and through. And now starting from the inside, we're just going to arch this line up and then back through on the side. Let's move in towards the side on the left, drawing in another circle. Let's stretch over, drawing in the A. So starting on the side, we're going to curve this around and through. And then starting on the inside corner on the bottom, we're going to arch this around and then back up to the side. In the middle again, let's draw in another circle. And now let's move down and write in the word pop. So we're going to start with the P in between the E and the D. So we're going to move down, curving this around and through. Now from here, starting back on the top, we're going to curve this back around and then in. And then in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, curving this back around and through. Let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in another circle for the letter O. And then moving in towards the middle of this, we're going to draw in our last circle. Let's move across and draw in the letter P. So coming up, we're going to bring this around and through towards the side. And then again, we're just going to close this off from the top, arching this around and then back in on the side. On the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down and then connecting that from top to bottom, just curving that around and through. Now we're going to box in around these letters. So we're going to just follow the shape. So starting in the middle, we're going to curve this around and down. On the top, we're going to curve this around and down past the O. We're going to arch this up, following this through as we come up towards the top, bringing that down towards the A. Now from here, following that shape, we're going to curve this around and then down on the side. Now on the left-hand side, let's curve this around and through towards the O. We're going to follow that shape of the O, curving that around. Let's bring this down now. So from that corner, we're going to arch this around, back up. Let's curve this line across slightly on a slight diagonal. Now from here underneath, we're going to bring this around and through towards the right. Let's drop down from that corner, curving this around and then back up. And then on the top, we're just going to connect this with a curved line, bringing this around and down. Let's drop down now and draw in baby Saja. So we're going to start with the top of the hair. We're going to start on the left. We're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. We're going to close off the top of the beanie. So on the left hand side, we're going to again curve this all the way through and then back down in the corner. Let's close this off further. Stepping in slightly, we're going to arch this around and in towards the P. In this small open gap here, we're just going to continue to curve that over. And then on the right, we're going to continue to bring this all the way around and in on the side. Now let's draw in the hair. So we're going to start in the middle and we're going to curve this around and through towards the right. And then we're going to curve this line up. Again, we're going to curve this line across and then back through. Now from here on the right, we're going to arch this line over towards the side. And then stepping up above that, we're going to curve this out towards the center. And now from that point, we're going to curve this through and back up towards the top. Let's step across on the left-hand side. We're going to again curve this line down. From here, we're going to arch this up towards the side. From that point, let's curve this line back in and then out. And then from that corner, we're going to move down and then back through. And then lastly, we're just going to close this off by curving this around and in towards that top corner. Let's close off our ear. So on the right-hand side, we're going to start from the hair and we're going to curve that around, touching the beanie, bringing that through towards the middle. Let's close off the bottom of the face, or for the cheek, we're going to curve this around and we're going to bring this all the way through, arching that up as we come over towards the ear. Let's close off the left ear. We're going to curve this line around and then down towards the cheek. Now from here, we're going to add some details. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this down and then coming underneath from the side, we're going to arch that around and through. Let's step across on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this line over, stepping down, arching that through. Now let's come in and draw in the eyes. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this around and back in towards the top. And then we're going to move across, lining that up at the same height on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now as we move in towards the top, starting on the side, we're going to curve this around and then down. And then we're going to do the same on the left-hand side. And we're just going to color that in black. Let's start on the top left-hand side. Let's draw in a nice big circle for the highlight of our eye. And then again, we're just going to color in the rest of our pupil black. Now from here in the center for the nose, we're going to bring this line down and across. Let's start on the corner, curving this line down. And then from the middle, we're just going to arch this over towards the left. Let's draw in the eyebrows. So on the side, we're going to curve this line up. Stepping across, we're going to arch this line over and in, thickening up that line. Let's do the same on the left. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over, stepping up, just thickening that up slightly. Now let's come down and write in the name baby. So again, we're going to do this in bubble writing. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to bring this line straight down. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from the middle, we're going to do the same thing as we come around on the bottom. On the top, we're going to draw in a straight line, curving this around, back in, connecting that together. We'll drop down and just replicate that. Let's draw in the A. So we're going to come across, leveling that at the same height, arching this around and through towards the side. And then stepping down on that corner, we're going to curve this around and then back up on the right. And then over on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in a small oval. Let's write in the letter B. So we're going to bring this line down, curving this up on the bottom. We're going to curve this back through and then in towards the left. And now stepping up from that left-hand side, just curving this around and then back down, connecting that in the corner. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down, curving this around and through, connecting that together. And now let's come across and draw in the letter Y. So we're going to come over, curving this around and down. Let's bring this line across, curving that around, up and over. And then now from here, we're just going to arch this back around and in towards the top. Like we did around the soda pop, we're just going to frame in the name. So we're going to bring this line up, curving this around and down. Let's arch this line over, bringing this up past the B. We're going to again curve this over and down. Let's curve this back up and through towards the middle. From the center, we're going to bring this around and up. Now from here, we're going to curve this line across. Again, arching this over. And then again, one more time towards the B. And then now from the side, we're just going to curve this around and in towards that corner. And let's add in some small details. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a heart. So we're going to bring this around and through towards the bottom. Starting back in the center, again, curving this around and in on the side. Let's move over on the left. We're going to draw in a star. So we're going to bring this line up and then back down. From the side, we're going to bring this line out and then in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from that corner on a diagonal, we're going to bring this line around and up towards the center. And then again from the middle, we're going to curve this back around and through, connecting that together. Let's draw this one last time. So we're going to come up above and draw in another star, curving that around in the corner. On each side, we're going to bring this line out and then back in towards the middle. Again, from that point, we're going to curve this out and up towards the center. And then from the center, we're going to bring this back around and through towards the side. Now we're just going to move around and box that in again. So we're just going to follow the shape like we did around our words as we come around our star. And that is it. That's how you draw a baby Saja soda pop can. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.